In 2018, a massive earthquake struck Palu, Indonesia. The ground liquefied, swallowing entire neighborhoods. Amid the chaos, a small drone buzzed overhead, one of the only ways to see through the devastation. Rescue workers faced an impossible task: where to search first. Piloted by Yusuf, the drone scanned the ruins, its camera feeding live video to a tense command post. Suddenly, on the screen, a faint wave, a hand reaching from the rubble. Without the drone, it would have gone unseen. The team radioed the coordinates to ground crews, hope surging through the room. Guided by the drone's view, rescuers navigated the treacherous debris and found a man alive, trapped for hours. The drone had become his voice, turning a silent plea into a clear call for help. Across the world, drones and AI are transforming disaster response. They provide eyes where humans can't go and process information faster than any person. These technologies don't replace the bravery of first responders, they amplify it. Drones fly through smoke, AI analyzes chaos, and together they help save lives that might otherwise be lost. In Palu and in disasters everywhere, this partnership is rewriting what's possible. Disasters are overwhelming, but now we have new allies. Unblinking eyes in the sky, artificial minds that never tire. They give rescuers superhuman abilities to see further, search smarter, and act faster. The courage remains human. The reach is now limitless. In the silence after disaster, technology gives hope a voice. The story of Palu is just the beginning. A new era of rescue has arrived. When disaster strikes, information vanishes. Maps are useless, roads gone, landmarks erased. Drones become the new cartographers, flying over chaos with high-resolution cameras and sensors. They capture thousands of images, creating a detailed 3D map of the disaster zone in hours, not days. This digital twin lets rescuers zoom in on a single house, measure debris, and find safe routes. Commanders can allocate resources with precision, sending help where it's needed most. In the past, mapping took weeks. Now, drones give rescuers a head start when every minute counts. Thermal cameras spot heat signatures, potential survivors under rubble or hotspots in wildfires. LiDAR sensors map unstable ground, helping engineers assess risks. Drones gather layers of data, giving first responders a superpower seeing the invisible. The result: faster, safer, and smarter disaster response. Drones don't just record the aftermath, they guide the rescue. They turn chaos into clarity and confusion into action. With every flight, they help save lives and rebuild hope. The first 72 hours are critical. Drones make every second count. They're not just tools, they're essential partners in the fight against disaster. The world may break, but with drones, we can map a way back. In disaster's darkest moments, drones light the path forward. Wildfires move with terrifying speed, creating dangers firefighters can't always see. Drones fly into thick smoke, using thermal cameras to reveal the fire's edge and hidden hotspots. In California's 2020 wildfires, drones gave real-time intelligence, spotting new fires and guiding water drops with precision. This saves time, resources, and lives. Some drones now set control burns, creating fire breaks in dangerous terrain, work once too risky for humans. After the flames, drones assess damage, help ecologists, and identify risks like erosion or mudslides. From first spark to recovery, drones provide a watchful eye, transforming wildfire response. They make firefighting smarter and safer. Drones don't just observe the They act, protect, and help restore. In the battle against fire, they're indispensable allies. Technology and courage working side by side. The result, more lives and landscapes saved. Yet earthquakes leave cities in ruins, with survivors trapped in unstable wreckage. Drones fly where humans and dogs can't, peering into collapsed buildings for signs of life. They help engineers assess which structures are safe, preventing further tragedy. In Mexico City and Turkey, drone footage guided international teams, speeding up rescues. Drones also document damage for recovery, helping communities rebuild faster. They provide a clear, objective record, essential for aid and repairs. With drones, the blueprint for recovery is built on accurate, real-time data. In disasters' aftermath, they help cities rise again. Floods isolate communities, stranding people on rooftops and islands. Drones spot the stranded, guiding rescue boats to those invisible from the ground. They deliver medicine and supplies when roads are gone, turning science fiction into reality. After floods, drones survey damage, identify weak levees, and help prevent disease by spraying larvicide. They create maps for future flood prevention, helping cities build better defenses. Drones are lifelines in the moment and architects of resilience for the future. They save lives today and protect communities tomorrow. In rising waters, drones bring hope. Drones are the eyes. AI is the brain. AI scans drone footage, instantly flagging survivors, damaged buildings, or blocked roads. It turns overwhelming data into actionable insights, finding what matters most. AI plans efficient rescue routes, updates in real time, and ensures resources go where they're needed. Drones collect data, AI analyzes it, and together they create a feedback loop. Machines handling the details, humans making the big decisions. In tests, AI-powered drones find missing people in a fraction of the time. The result, faster, smarter, and more effective rescues. With AI and drones, hope arrives sooner. Disaster response is now a team effort. Humans, drones, and AI working together. Humans bring courage and judgment. Drones provide eyes in dangerous places. AI processes information at lightning speed. Commanders synthesize drone maps, AI alerts, and ground reports to make life-saving decisions. Drones act as overwatch, warning teams of shifting dangers and scouting ahead. This partnership makes rescue safer and more effective. Technology amplifies human capability, but hope and relief remain deeply human. The goal: give rescuers more time and survivors a better chance. In every disaster, this symphony of rescue saves lives. Technology removes obstacles, speeds up action, and lets human compassion shine. The future of rescue is collaboration. Machines see and analyze. People care and decide. Together, they turn chaos into hope. Every second saved is a life held a little longer. The true value of disaster tech is measured in lives saved. After Hurricane Dorian, drones mapped devastation and led rescuers to survivors. Every drone flight into danger means a human spared from risk. Technology reduces danger for first responders and speeds up aid. In massive disasters, drones and AI map damage in hours, not weeks, guiding global response. Local communities now use drones, empowering them to help themselves first. The tools are more accessible, the response more resilient. Drones and AI don't just count losses, they count lives saved. By putting technology in local hands, we build stronger, more responsive communities. In every crisis, the impact is real, immediate, and human. The future of disaster response is bright and bold. Swarms of autonomous drones will map disaster zones in minutes, working together seamlessly. AI will predict where survivors are likely to be, focusing search efforts with precision. New robots, snake-like or humanoid, will reach places even drones can't, delivering aid and clearing debris. These machines will work alongside humans, not replace them. The heart of rescue remains human courage and compassion, now amplified by technology. Intelligent machines will see and analyze and act, giving rescuers more time and hope. In the darkest moments, technology will help us hear the whispers in the rubble and answer them faster than ever before.